So some ingredients in products are you're required to get testing done. Okay. The Australian government has deemed them to be more problematic, for instance, than other ingredients. And as a result of that, you're required to get some testing done. Now, your factory in China may well have got that testing done already. And if they have, awesome, that's going to save you a shitload of time. If they haven't, then you'll need to go and get your stuff tested in Australia. Yeah, it's the same for all countries, not just Australia. Same for all countries. You need to send it to a testing lab and get them to say, yes, it's okay. Yes, it's approved. But oftentimes so that's that part of that answer. Okay. Potentially the better solution is to start with a product that's already being sold in Australia. There's plenty of companies in Australia that will either white label an existing product for you. So they sell a product and they'll put your label on it and now it becomes your product, or they will formulate a product for you. So the oodle food business, for instance, there are companies in Australia that will formulate a dog food for you. Okay. And then you just get them to do the formulation, you pay them for that. There's two ways that works, actually. So you either pay them to do it, or they charge you an increased amount of money and they make their money when you're ordering the product. Okay. Just Google them. Google is your friend. So let's just go to Google. And let's do private label protein powder. Let's see if we can find anybody I've used. Neutrino, simple form. So private label nutrition. I've used those guys in the UK. Sun Food. I've used those guys in America. So now if I wanted to find somebody in Australia, Pro Amino, private label products. So they've got all sorts of private label products for you. Australian private labels, all sorts of products for you. What's the other way? So that's one way of just private labeling, okay? Easiest way, dead easy. If you want to create your own formulation though, you want to find a contract manufacturer. You need a contract manufacturer for that. There you go. Protein Supplies Australia, they will do that for you. Contract manufacturing, there's Tismore, OmniBlend, who I've spoken to about another project I was working on. What else? Custom proteins, so they'll do a custom one for you, etc., etc. There's lots and lots of businesses set up to help you. Yeah, I've done this heaps. The Chinese medicine thing, I'm going to start with established products, and then I'm also going to private label my own products as well. Hey, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We help people just like you start your own successful business, selling things online, whether that's through Amazon, Shopify, eBay, whatever it may be. We've got the tools that you need to help you succeed online. Whether you're a complete beginner or indeed a professional making millions of dollars, we can certainly help you. By the way, we've helped over 2,500 people right now here in Australia, as well as right around the world. We've got sales in our members community of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out how we did that and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description. That's aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the inside.